Welcome back to another daily Leetcode walkthrough. Today we are tackling problem 1979, find greatest common divisor of array. As always, if you get confused at any point, just drop a question in the comments below and I will reply to help you out. Here is the official problem page. It is a bit wordy, so let me break down exactly what we need to do step by step. First, we are given a list of integers called nums. Our first task is to scan through this list and find the very smallest number. Next, we scan through that exact same list again to find the absolute largest number. Finally, we take those two specific numbers, the minimum and the maximum, and we find their greatest common divisor. If you need a quick math refresher, the greatest common divisor is just the largest positive whole number that divides completely evenly into both of our target numbers. Let's walk through a concrete example. Imagine our list contains 2, 5, 6, 9, and 10. Looking at this list, it is pretty easy to see that the smallest number is 2, and the biggest number is 10. Now we just need to find the greatest common divisor of 2 and 10. The answer is 2, because 2 is the largest number that divides evenly into both 2 itself and 10. The approach given in the editorial is incredibly straightforward. We literally just calculate things exactly as the problem requires. There are no crazy tricks here. We will just grab the min, grab the max, and hand them off to a built-in math function to do the heavy lifting. We are going to build this in Python first, because Python's standard library makes this almost too easy. First, we can use Python's built-in max and min functions directly on our list to pull out the largest and smallest values. We store these in two variables. Then, we import the standard math module. This gives us access to a function called math.gcd. We just pass in our max and min variables and return the result. Putting it all together, the entire solution is beautifully short. Just a couple of lines of code and we are done. Let's quickly talk about an edge case. What if all the numbers in our list are exactly the same, like a list containing just two 3s? In this case, the smallest is 3, and the largest is 3. The built-in math function handles this flawlessly, since the greatest common divisor of a number and itself is just that number. Let's look at performance. The time complexity is order of n plus log m. To break that down, it takes n time to scan the list for the min and max, where n is the size of the list. Then it takes log m time to calculate the answer, where m is our maximum value. For space complexity, it is incredibly efficient at order of 1, meaning constant space. This is because we are only storing a couple of integers for our min and max values. We don't need to build any new lists or data structures. The big key takeaway here is to always know what is available in your language's standard library. If a math function exists, use it rather than reinventing the wheel during an interview. As promised, let's take a quick look at how to write this in a few other popular languages. Here is the Java version. Java doesn't have a simple built-in integer GCD function, so we quickly implement the Euclidean algorithm ourselves as a small helper function. Here is the C++ solution. C++ is great here, because the numeric library actually does include a built-in GCD function we can use. And finally, here is the JavaScript version. Similar to Java, we just write a quick arrow function to handle the GCD math. If you want to test this code out yourself without retyping it, you can go to the leetcodeunlocked.com/link in the description. You can copy the exact code shown here and help support the channel. Real quick, I want to mention that I use AI to generate these guides instantly so I can study faster. I am also trying out this faster-paced format with shorter text on screen. Please let me know in the comments if this is easier to follow, and remember to ask any questions about the code there too. I am on a mission to post a solution for literally every Leetcode problem. If you want to help support that goal, you can donate at buymeaboba.com/leetcodedaily. Please like and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one.